fix 100% disk usage, Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the 100% disk usage on your Windows 10 or 11, then you just need to simply right click on your Windows and go with Run. Under Run, you need to go with a program, which is services.msc, and hit the enter. Now a new window will appear like this. Here you need to select any of the servers, and here you need to search for a service which is sysmain. So you just need to simply go with the S and then search for sysmain. Here you will have the service, right? So right click on the service, and here you just need to simply go with properties, and then under properties go with disabled and go with apply. Okay, and again right click on it and go with stop and stop the service. Once you've done that, now you just need to simply go back and you need to open up your File Explorer and go with this PC option. Under this PC, you need to go with your local disk C, where you will have your OS. So you just need to simply right click on it and go with properties. Under properties, you will get this kind of tab, and now go with the tools option. And here we need to do two things. So the first one is we need to error check. So you just need to simply click on check and start the error check. And once you've done the error check, then if you have any issues or a bad sector in the hard drive, that will be fixed with the scan. And you just need to simply scan the drive. So it might take 1 or 2 minutes. So in my case, I'm using the SSD, and SSD will not take much. So you just need to simply wait for 1 or 2 minutes and it will just complete the scanning. Once you're done with the scanning, now you need to go with optimize. So you just need to simply click on optimize and make sure to select the C drive and go with optimize option. And once you're done, you just need to simply close and go with OK. Once you're done, you just need to simply go back. And there's a last thing that you can do is simply go with the task manager. Right click on your taskbar and then go with task manager. Under your task manager, you just need to simply go with the startup apps. And under your startup apps, now if you don't want any apps on your startup, then you can simply go and disable that. So for example, if you've enabled something, then you just need to simply right click on it and then go with disable option. So here you will have enable, and if you don't want the security help to be there when you start your laptop, then just right click on it and then go with disable. And if you're using any unwanted apps, if you have any unwanted apps which are enabled, then just simply go with disable. Once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your 100% disk usage on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.